Yeah.
This is a Chromebook power washing tutorial. First, you're going to want to hold down Control, Shift, Alt, and R at the same time. Next, once it says Reset Wash in the bottom right, and then hit Continue. Okay, so then you're going to hit Get Started, and then it'll have you connect to the network. Connect to the JCPS wireless network. Then it should automatically go to here. If it shows a warning on this side, just give it a second and it'll turn to this. Then hit Accept and Continue. It'll say Enterprise Enrollment Complete. Hit Done, and then it's done.